All right, good day everyone. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I will be doing a tutorial on image retouching and image retouching using camera raw filter. So let's get right onto it. So this is the image. This is the image that we'll be working on. Okay, so first of all, we go over to our quick selection tool to remove the picture from the background. Okay, Photoshop, camera sorry, I'm going to be using the quick selection tool to select the image from the background. So click on select subject, click on select subject. Yeah, so it's still working on the image. Yeah, so it has been selected. So just click on our layer mask. Then we have it. It is off the background. So let's get right onto it. Let's convert the image to a smart object. All right. So let's get back to the deal of the day. So we'll go to the filter, then we'll go to the camera raw filter. This is the camera raw filter here. So go to the camera raw filter. Okay, so this is the temperature. So let's increase this temperature a bit to make it to look bolder and so let's say 13 is okay. Let's say 13 is okay, and then the teeth, let's increase it to like 15 or 19. Yeah, 19 is okay. And again, because of the blackness here, as you can see, this place is darker than this place is brighter, while this place is darker. So let's just go on to exposing it. Let's go back to the exposure, and just a little bit of exposure. Then the shadows, we have the shadows. Let's increase the shadows. Let's increase the shadows to 34. Okay, and then we have the texture. Let's increase the texture to 45, and then we have the clarity. Let's have the clarity to, let's reduce it. Okay, this is 9, and then we have the vibrance to make the color of the picture come out, to look astounding. Okay, yes, so let's see the vibrance. 46. Okay, I want us to reduce the exposure a little bit. I want us to reduce the exposure a little bit. Reduce the exposure a little bit. Okay, so let's increase the clarity one more time. Let's increase the saturation. No, this is too much. Let's increase the vibrance. The vibrance brings out the color of the picture. Okay. Okay, I think this is perfect. You can see the clear difference. So this is how to use your camera raw filter on a simple image. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share your comments and share this post to whosoever desires it. Thank you.